been a while since my last video because I've been able to figure out what's wrong with my truck. And I've been trying to figure it out for years, like right around 40 miles an hour. My RPMs, right when it downshifts, it'll start jumping gears. It'll go row, 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 row. And it won't engage the downshift properly. And it'll start bouncing around between 40 and 45 miles per hour. So I found out on the shift linkage, this is what the shift linkage bushing looks like. The new one. I tried getting this one on, this one didn't work. And so this is what it was left of. It was broken right in half. I'll show you the pin underneath. And I just undercoated my truck. As you can tell, it's fucking rusty. And there's a shift pin that I replaced right there. Yeah, I greased it all up so it moves freely. But yeah, that'll cause the looseness in your shift column when you go to put in drive. Let's see if I can get this to focus. And then your shifter's usually loose, and that'll cause your transmission to not engage properly. I greased all these up. These ones are fine. Oops. See if I can get the picture. Oh, there it is. That one's good too. And yeah, I just took them out, cleaned up the levers, greased it. We're trying not to film everything else. But yeah, so what I do is I drill the hole out a little bit. Each time, coated the other one with grease, and then just try wiggling it in the hole. Pushed it in with some pliers. Got it in. Put some grease on the lever. Popped it in with some pliers, and it's locked in now. So best of luck, you guys. If you need any advice, comment in the section, and just let me know.